Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna do a change the transmission oil. Basically it's very similar to the Sienna. All you do is lift it up and there's a cover right here, as you can see. So you just remove the clip from here, and down here one, and then down here another one, so you get to this fuel bolt right there. And then this one is very easy since it's so I crawl down here. So all you got is the drain bolt right here. All you do is drain it, open it up, and drain first before we can remove all the oh, this is tough to remove because I have no leverage. So give me a second. Okay, whoever. So since this is the first time, the manufacturer did really tight on this drain bulb right here. So I gotta use a little pipe just to snap it loose. But when it's come out, all you do is just take it out, and as you can see, it still look pretty good. So I go ahead and drain that out, and then the next thing you want to do is all that the bolt go around the pan. Just remove all that and you should able to remove this whole thing. This one is a lot easier than the Sienna because you don't have to jack up the engine itself just to get to it. So I'll go ahead and do that, and we're gonna see what it looked like inside the oil pan. And this car is 30,000 miles. So 30,000 miles, we'll see how it is. And I got the new filter right here. Let me see, new filter. What? New filter iPod. And the part number is this right here. That's the part number. Come with the filter and a gasket, so it should be everything you need. All right, drain out a lot. I'll wait until drain everything out, and then also inside there's a little straw you use to take. It's like a measuring straw, so you can use the same. This is number 6, I think. Yeah, 6mm to remove it. Same thing, you stuck in there and then twist it so it come out. I'll show you the straw later on after I drain this whole thing out, and then we can move on from there. All right. So here you go, guy. Took out the filter, the pan. You can see whole mess in there. Make sure that there is a little rubber gaskets right here, the rubber ring. Make sure you should come out with the filter itself. Okay, if you don't take that out and then you put a new one in, it's already come with a ring, then you're gonna have a problem. So now I just need to install this one in. Basically 2 screw, one here, another one here, 10mm. It's the same thing as the other one. All you need is plug it in and screw it. Screw it in. As you can see, everything has been pulling out. So there it is. So just plug in the new one in. and then you are good. And that's it. Easy. Actually, this is a lot easier than the Sienna. So I guess if your car have, I'll do 30,000 miles, but you know, since this is my dad's car and he don't drive that much, so it's 2015, so with only 30,000 miles, so he really didn't drive that much. But if your car is 30 or 60, recommend at least replace one time. Okay, so the next time all you need to do is just drain and fill, and that's it for the next time. But at least change the filter at least one time. So I'll go ahead and leave it like this. Then we're gonna see is how dirty the filter is and how dirty the pan is. Well, we can check it out right now. Okay, so this is the filter. As you can see from inside, it's not really that bad, since this only have 30,000 miles. As I can see, it's not really that bad. It's a Denso filter, you can see. So let's check out the pan itself. See how dirty the pan is. Okay. See, this is the reason I want to. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so you got the gasket. Toyota gasket is metal. It's a metal gasket, so you can reuse it if you want to. And let me pull all this. It's not really bad. Actually, it's quite okay. As you can see, it's still red. Okay. Now the thing I want to do is, they have a couple of, as you can see right here, magnet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So let's see how dirty the magnet is. So as you can see how dirty the magnet is. That's why I said at least replace it once. At least replace the filter one, okay? And look at this. Look at this. How dirty that is. And look at that. And look at all this magnet covered with material. As you can see. See, that's the reason I want to replace. I want to drop the pan and replace it. And replace the filter too and clean this up. Because look at this. And this is only 30,000 miles. So your drain and fill is not gonna remove all this. Right? It's not gonna remove all this. Only way you can do is drop the pan and clean it out. And look like it's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty easy to do it. I have no problem doing it. Easy job. All you need to do is jack up the car and then remove one of the tire over this side, on the driver's side, and you should have a lot of room to remove the pan itself. And then, oh, let me show you the straw. The straw I was talking about. Here's the straw right here. So on the Sienna is a orange straw, and this one is a green straw. So this is the Alright, let me clean all this up, put everything back together, and we go to the next move, okay? Very similar. All the method is more identical to the Sienna. Alright, so I'll be right back. Okay, after a little cleanup, everything looked nice and neat. Clean everything out. Look beautiful now. All you need to do is just put it back, and it should be good to go. Alright? Alright. Okay, you guys, so I got everything back in. Tie everything up. Remove this fuel bolt right here, as you can see. And now, what you want to do is you measure whatever's come out, and you put it maybe half a quart more. So I think this is about 3.5 quart that's coming out. So I'll go ahead and pull back 4 quart, and then after that we can adjust it. What I use is you can get the ATF from the dealer. It's WS, but I use the Aisin WS. It's the same thing. So, but the Aisin is a little bit cheaper than when you buy it at the dealer. So I'll go ahead and get this, pour it in, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Okay. So you guys, after you're done with putting back everything, tie everything up, put the wheel back in, and next thing you do, get your favorite scan tool, turn the engine on, go and find temperature. Okay, go here, okay, live data, and you need to get the transmission temperature to 100. So transmission temperature somewhere down here. Let me see. Sorry. Transmission temperature. Okay. Okay, right here, oil temperature, right, 78. So you have to wait until it's 100. So you let it run. It might take a while, but let it run. What you can do right now is you can ship. Go ahead and step on the brake and use the ship lever to ship it back and forth, like park to reverse, neutral, and then drive, and then back to just do back and forth a couple of times, so the fluid can go through the cycle through the year. And just wait until the temperature reach to about 100 F. Then so all you do is just leave it like that. It should took about maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes. So all you need to do is ship. And do that for a couple of times. So you get all the fluid moving through the system. So now you just wait until it's 87 right now. It's probably a 5 minute or 10 minute. So now it's 87. Just wait until they get to 100, and I will come back with when it's get to 100. Okay, so as you can see, it's already 99.5. So that is good enough. Now the next thing you want to do is go under and drain. Open your drain plug. Hope you see it. Just open your drain plug. Okay, open your drain plug. Okay, got the drain ready. Open your drain plug. It's up here, and let it drain out. Let it drain out. Let it drain until it gets to the point of it's a little dripping. Then you put it back, and then you tie this the bolt back. Just let it drain, as you can see. There you go. When you get to that part, go ahead and put it back, and then you are done. And that's it. So that's how you measure the correct. So that's how you measure the correct fluid oil for your transmission. So that's it. Now all you need to do is tie that thing up, and you are done with your replacing your transmission oil. Alright, that's it. I hope you find it useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.